Make a great choice today with the 2015 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, trip computer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.